Here we are at a beautiful property located in South Salem. This is a corner lot at 1397 Southeast Heather Lane. You're gonna like this property. It's a 3-bed, 1.5 bath. I'm excited to tell you more about it. Upon entry, right into the living room, you'll enjoy the cozy fireplace and the setting right here with family and friends. Adjacent right to the dining room, which has easy access to the backyard and the kitchen. Let's go get a bite. Here in the kitchen, you can see we've got plenty of counter space, lots of cabinet space for storage, and also all the tile backsplash on both sides. Looks like a nice little setup and some upgraded appliances. Right here is the perfect spot to catch a cold lemonade, and also, let's talk about some of the bonus features. We've got a laundry room, also an extra half bathroom on this side of the kitchen. This home was built in 1955, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, just shy of 1,400 square feet total. It's sitting on a 0.2 acre corner lot with a partially fenced backyard, which is brand new. You've also got a small storage shed in the back. Some of the newest upgraded features entail the brand new $15,000 roof, some gutter upgrades, brand new carpet in the living room, hallway, and one of the bedrooms. In addition to the 2-car garage with the brand new garage doors, we've also got this deep RV parking, extra wide, extra long, for the toys or campers, you name it. This is Billy Scott with Billy Scott Real Estate. As easy it was for me to jump off that front porch, it's just as easy for me to help you get into your next home.